Halos lahat ay naghahanap ng isang bagay. Naghahanap ng isang sekreto na makakapagtagumpay ng tao. Most people are searching for that one hack that will lead to riches and wealth. Hindi ko gustong sabihin to, pero kinakailangan. Kailangan kong sabihin sa'yo na walang sekreto sa tagumpay. Alam mo na ang gagawin para magtagumpay, pero sadyang hindi mo talaga ginagawa. Walang matagumpay na tao ang gumamit ng isang bagay lang para magtagumpay. Walang ganun sa buhay. If you want one principle, here it is. The desire to find a way to make it happen no matter what. Because if you really have the desire to find a way, you won't be looking for one thing. You won't be looking for a trick or a hack. You'll just be ready and willing to do whatever it takes to reach your goal. Kung talagang gusto mong magtagumpay, kailangan mong matutunan ang pait at sakit para makapunta ka sa rurok ng tagumpay. Kailangan mong magtrabaho ng sobra para subukin ang kakayahan mo. You'll be willing to keep going when you hit rock bottom, when you suffer setbacks, when it seems impossible. You've got to find that strength inside you, that purpose, that drive that lives in you. You've got to find it, and you must use it to take you where you need to go. Kailangan mong itulak ang sarili mo dahil alam mong may layunin ka. May dahilan ka para lumaban. Find that passion inside you. All successful people got where they are not by luck or a hack. They succeed because they choose to fight for everything, even when it's hard. Si Warren Buffett ay nagbabasa 6 na oras araw-araw. Pero hindi lang yan ang dahilan ng kanyang tagumpay. Maging gayahin mo man ang kanyang ginagawa o basahin ang mga aklat na binabasa niya, maaari kang magtagumpay o hindi. The thing is, how you apply all the information you've learned. Because of Warren Buffett's consistency in reading and applying what he learns, he became successful. Natutunan niya ang bawat pagkakamali at itinama ito. Nagtatagumpay siya. At ginagawa niya ang mga bagay na gusto niya. Nagtatagumpay siya. How about Oprah Winfrey? She is one of the most successful people in television, even outside of television. Swerte lang ba siya o may sekreto ba siyang nalalaman? Wala. She just had a real desire to find a way, even when there seemed no way. Lahat ng pagsubok ay nararanasan niya. But unlike most, she was determined to find a way to live the life she wanted to live. Lahat ng tao ay pare-pareho. We must have the desire to find a way. Let's start working towards our goal and let's be patient enough to wait for our exact time. It is only a matter of time before we reach our definition of success. At ang tagumpay ay base sa pagkakaintindi mo. Ang tagumpay mo ay maaaring hindi tagumpay sa mata ng ibang tao. How do you define success? Is it money? Or is it things? Ang totoong katanungan sa tagumpay ay nailabas ko ba ang buong potensyal ko? Gusto ko ba ang buhay ko ngayon? Did I settle? Or did I find a way? Life won't always go your way, but you must always find a way. Trash that doubts your mind. You will achieve your goal. There is no doubt about it if you really want it to be successful. Whatever obstacles you're facing, conquer them. Persevere, and I know you will win. Everything you want in life is waiting for you and so much more. It just requires decision. It requires courage to make that decision. It requires dedication to commit to that decision. It requires sacrifice along the way. It requires strength most don't have to see through all the challenges along the way. But all of that is nothing compared to the struggle, disappointment, and regret of living a life you don't want. Don't be like the rest. Work hard and be like the best. Look inside your soul and you will see how bad you want it.